Hello everyone, welcome to the Vishnu IAS. In this video, we are providing you the information about the books we are providing for the Super 50 batch and the importance of reading NCERT. Compared to the last year, this year we have revised our books list. This year we are providing 13 NCERT books and 4 standard books. In case of the last year, we just provided 14 books in total. So this year we are providing 17 books. Reading NCERT is very much important in the preparation of UPSC civil service examination, because UPSC always tests for the basic understanding of the aspirants. So you can build the strong basics, you can't build the sound basics unless you read NCERT. Okay, for that, to make your basics strong, we are providing 6th to 10th NCERT lectures. Students, please note, we are not providing 6th to 10th NCERT hard copies, we are just providing lectures. And second one, from 11th to 12th, we provide 13 NCERT books, okay, and 4 standard textbooks. Coming to the polity, we are providing 2 books from 11th and 12th standard. One is Indian Constitution at the Work and second one is Political Theory. We have added this political theory book this year. Let me tell you the importance of this book. Every year in the prelims, there will be one direct question from this book. Let me put it in this way. In 2019, there was a question on liberty. So UPSC has asked appropriate definition of the liberty. They has given 4 options. One is freedom to do whatever one wants. Second one is protection from the tyranny. Third one, opportunity to develop oneself fully. And last option, absence of restraint. Though you are not get into the preparation right now, still all of you know the general definition of the liberty. That is somewhat close to the freedom, right? So with that idea, we can eliminate 2 options. First one is freedom to do whatever one wants. It's an extreme statement. So obviously, no country will allow the citizens to do whatever one wants. And second one is protection from the tyranny. These 2 options can be eliminated. So now there is a tussle between these 2 options. One is opportunity to develop oneself fully and second one is absence of restraint. Okay, majority of the aspirants, even those who are well prepared, marked this option, absence of restraint. They thought that option D is the right answer. Once the UPSC keys are out, the right answer is option C, that is opportunity to develop oneself fully. So what can we infer from this? Yes, of course, liberty is nothing but the absence of the restraint. Why that absence of a restraint should be there in the country? To develop oneself fully. That is the core idea behind liberty. Got it? So to answer this kind of the questions, conceptual clarity is very much inevitable. So every year there will be one question from the political philosophy. Last year in 2017 there is a question on 2018 there is a question on equality, in 2019 on liberty, and this year there were questions from constitutional government. So going through this book helps you in answering this type of the questions. And second one, apart from answering this type of the questions in the prelims, it also helps you to give better answers, okay, to present the better answers in mains examinations, okay, and to effectively answer the essay paper, okay. That's the importance of this book. And next, from the Indian economy, we are providing the 2 books. One is Indian Economic Development and Introduction to Macroeconomics. Of course, this is the 11th NCERT and this is 12th NCERT. Okay. Once you complete with the 6th to 10th NCERT lectures, straight away don't go for this book. Okay. First try to read this 12th Macroeconomics. Why? In this book, you will read economic situation of the India from 1947 to the from 1947 to the era of reforms, economic reforms, that is 1992. Okay, so if after the completion of the 6th to 10th NCERT, if you straight away go to this book, you can't understand some concepts. Okay, some so you know what, some data. Why? Because whatever the aggregates that we use to assess and measure the economy will be learned in this book. For example, monetary tools that is used by the RBI, the banking, the concept of the demand and supply, and next budgeting concepts, and budgeting concepts, and next external trade. Okay, once you complete these concepts, then you come for this. Okay, then you can better understand the situation of the Indian economy from 1947 to reforms period, till reforms period. Okay, and one more thing, once you cover this book, even this book, we can expect some direct questions in mains from this book. Say economy, you know what, globalization, impact of the globalization on different sectors of the economy. Okay, that kind of the questions can be answered once you complete this book. And next, geography. In case of the geography, we are providing India's physical environment, fundamentals of physical geography, and human geography book. Okay, this book will cover the entire Indian geography. Okay, and fundamentals of physical geography. Okay, this will cover the resources, key distribution of the natural resources, distribution of natural resources across the globe. That's the first thing. And the second one is geophysical phenomena and the landforms. Okay, that is formed. Okay, and next, the concept of the population and associated issues will be covered in the human geography. Okay, and next, regarding the Indian society, we are providing the 3 books, that is Indian Society and Social Change and Development and Understanding the Society. Students, geography books, whatever the NCERT books we are providing for the geography, that will be helpful for you in answering the prelims and mains. While coming to the Indian society, these books will be useful in mains, okay, not in the prelims. And most importantly, these books helps you in answering the GS paper 1, not only GS paper 1, but it makes your basics strong for the paper 2 of anthropology. Okay, if you carefully observe the GS 1 syllabus of the mains, okay, it covers art and culture, and next history, geography, and next society. Okay, if we go through the previous year question papers, only 75 marks in the paper is dominated with art and culture and history. Further, we have to read hell lot of content. Okay, if you carefully concentrate on this part, Indian society and the geography, okay, easily 175 marks out of 250 in the paper 1 will be in your hand. Okay, and finally, for the history, we are providing volume 1 and volume 2 of 11th standard Tamil Nadu government textbook, and introduction to the Indian art. It's an NCERT book. Okay, please go through the every NCERT carefully, read it as number of times as possible till you get the conceptual clarity, because the conceptual clarity, that's very important. It's very, very important. Once your basics are strong, you have enough clarity on the topics, then you can go for the standard textbooks. These are the standard textbooks that we are providing that will enhance your knowledge and take you to the next level. Finally, I wanted to tell you one important thing. Okay, everybody knows that there will be 100 questions in the prelims, GS1. Okay, that is paper 1. Out of that, if you carefully observe the previous year question paper, 30 questions will be from the static part. Okay, if your basics are strong, these 30 questions will be in your hand. 30 questions, that means 60 marks. You can easily score 60 marks. Once 60 marks is in your hand, then there is a challenge of getting only 40 plus that you can manage with your current affairs. Okay, thank you.